I want to go across now to Manoj Muntashir. You've seen him on India Today before. He's a songwriter, a music director, and a lyricist, and someone who has worked with Sushant Singh Rajput. He is someone who also spoke out on the day that he was found dead. Manoj, good evening. Thank you very much for being with India Today. I wanted your, your opinion and your reactions, Manoj, to this, what I personally feel is a highly inappropriate and insensitive editorial written by Sanjay Raut in the Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samna, saying that Sushant Singh Rajput took his own life because of fear of failure and disappointment.
Okay, so if Mr. Raut is to be believed, then the police probe is over. So we have got all the answers. There is no need of any further investigation. So, okay, the case is closed. Because before the case is closed, this kind of remark only could be termed as insensitive and jumping the gun and passing a judgment which is totally uncalled for. And also, this is disrespecting the memories of a great actor.
Yeah.
Who knows what was running there? Who knows what was actually happening? So instead of just probing deeply into it, instead of finding the root cause so that such cases do not get repeated, I'm not trying to romanticize his death because there is nothing heroic about suicide. Let's get that straight. I'm not trying to tell you that, okay, what he did was perfect. The pain of losing Sushant Singh Rajput has still not subsided in my heart, but at the same time, the anger is still there. I'm angry with him.
Yeah.
I'm angry with him for taking his own life. But my anger and Mr. Raut's anger, or whatever he is trying to speak through his mouthpiece, Samna, these are two different things. I cannot be insensitive. I have to understand that yes, there were problems. Nobody picks a rope, hangs himself onto a fan just to, because uska us din dimag theek nahi tha. He woke up in the morning, he asked for juice, रात तक वो दोस्तों से बात कर रहा था, उस कुछ घंटे में कुछ तो हुआ है. There has been something.
Yeah.
अगर वो इतना ही normal था, अगर वो इतना ही बातें ऐसी थी, जैसे कि Mr. Raut ने बोला कि he was frustrated because he was behaving weirdly on the sets. All of us behave weirdly. If I am asked to make a character sketch of the biggest noble people in this country and biggest the people who stand out for their demeanor, for being a nice guy, सबका प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में. देयर आर मोमेंट्स जहां हर कोई वियर्ड बिहेव करता है. कल कुछ बड़ी घटना हो जाए, आप उस एक मोमेंट को उठा के जजमेंटल हो जाते हैं कि ये तो ऐसा ही था. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर इज दैट? आई एम सॉरी बट दिस इज टोटली अनएक्सेप्टेबल बाय समवन who is a part of the industry. I am industry. Mr. Raut is not industry. I know more about this industry than him. At least in that one corner, I am more. I'm into it. And he's not into it. He's an outsider.
Yeah.
He is just seeing it from outside. He has no clue that what was actually going on.
Manoj, do you think Sanjay Raut is protecting someone? The reason I'm asking is very specific. Because in this editorial, he says it is not true that Bollywood is controlled by a few people. You know, I get the sense that he is trying to make a case for somebody else. We've all seen how pressure has built on certain power centers within Bollywood. We've seen the spotlight on nepotism, etc. Why is Sanjay Raut now taking the pains to say, Manoj, that Bollywood is not controlled by a few people?
Shiv, anybody who has worked in close association and proximity with Bollywood or any industry will definitely come up with one conclusion, that Bollywood is no different compared to any other corporate, any other industry.
Yeah.
तो ये जो पावर सेंटर्स है, आप मुझे बताएं, मुझे दुनिया की एक इंडस्ट्री बताएं जहां पावर सेंटर्स नहीं है. Why denying something which is so obvious?
Yeah.
Why denying it? Let's not make a fool of ourselves by denying something which is obvious, which is there in the face, which you cannot deny. Yes, there are power centers. I am not sure about the nepotism though, because there is dynastism, there is groupism.
Yeah.
Nepotism, I'm not too sure. So there are power centers, there are people who run this industry, which is not a bad thing, क्योंकि हर इंडस्ट्री में कोई एक जगह पे होता है जो कि शॉट्स कॉल करता है. That is understandable. But if it has gone to those extents कि उसने किसी कलाकार की जान ले ली इतने बड़े एक्टर की, then there are questions to be raised, there are voices to be heard. So you cannot just shut everything off by writing a piece that he was not mentally stable and that's why he had to die today or tomorrow. आज नहीं तो कल मरना ही था. No man, it is not what I would like to hear at this point of time. I need more sensitivity, I need more probe into it, I need more investigation, and I need more heart and more emotion to this story.
What does this editorial do on the issue of mental health? The death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Manoj, has brought a focus, a much needed focus on suicide, on mental health, on how people feel, on isolation. Do you think this so-called editorial by Sanjay Raut in many ways has actually damaged that, because he's just dismissed it as something else?
Now there were other important issues to be raised. Let me try and get a hang of it. So the other important issues, that the power centers, when power centers are generated, how do power centers come into being? Because there are multiple industries in this country, film industries. The film industries are always dependent on the language and the territory in which the language is spoken. तमिल फिल्में कहाँ बनती हैं? तमिल फिल्में बनती हैं चेन्नई में. क्यों बनती हैं? There is a reason, because तमिल लैंड है, वो वहीं बनेगी तमिल फिल्म. तेलुगु फिल्में कहाँ बनती हैं? वो बनती हैं हैदराबाद में, because that's the land of language, Telugu. The most bizarre thing is कि हिंदी फिल्में कहाँ बनती हैं? महाराष्ट्र में, मुंबई में, जहाँ की लैंग्वेज ही नहीं है. What I wanted to say कि सुशांत सिंह जैसे केसेस को रोकने का एक तरीका और भी है. I will come to the mental thing which you just said, कि हमें हमारी इंडस्ट्री सही जगह पे धीरे धीरे पहुंचानी होगी. Why someone like Sushant Singh should start from Patna just to make big in Hindi film industry and reach Mumbai and go through the struggle and whatever has happened to him and one day hang himself? Why not send the industry to him? Because organically film industry, Hindi film industry, UP, Bihar, झारखंड, राजस्थान और मध्य प्रदेश में होनी चाहिए. हमारी सरकारों ने कभी वो हिम्मत नहीं दिखाई, हमारी सरकारों ने कभी वो प्यार नहीं दिखाया सिनेमा को एज ए मीडियम देखने के लिए. It is high time that our youngsters, our people, जो कि बेचारे अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर सकते वहां से चल के मुंबई तक आना, उनकी जबान को उनका सिनेमा दिए जाने का टाइम आ गया है. Let us send the industry back to where it belongs. And especially Hindi film industry.
Let's send the industry back to where it belongs. It shouldn't just be concentrated in Bollywood. Manoj Muntashir, thank you as always. We can always expect you to be honest and have constructive words to say on this very sensitive topic. Manoj Muntashir there, a person who was friends with Sushant Singh Rajput and a person who worked with him as well and who agreed to join us on this sensitive issue with a ruling party MP putting it out there in the ruling party's newspaper that Sushant Singh Rajput took his own life because of disappointment.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.